Alright, so I've already mounted the tank to the template of the trunk. Sorry I didn't do that on camera. It was pretty simple. They give you a template here to do that. You just match up the hose and it's pretty simple. So that's done. Sorry for my messy garage. I do a lot of work in here. Now I'm on the process of running the wire. So I'm going to remove all of the trimming. The power is going to be on this side. And basically the only thing I need for the left side is this, because I have the new Accuair E Plus ECU, and I just got to run this up to the front to connect to a an ignition, 12-volt ignition. So that's that. I'm just mocking it up right now. I'll probably find a place to ground this back here. You know, shave off. I'll undo a bolt and grind it down to bare metal. Then that way I could just ground it. Pretty simple. I feel like I'm going to use this grommet to run both airlines and possibly run the second airlines to the front through the side panel. So let me jack up the car and get everything ready to go. This rear support to lift up the vehicle. Finally got the car on jacks, holding it up. Both sides. Now I'm about to remove the tires on the side all the way up to the front. For right now, I know this is a sharp edge, so for right now I'm gonna just feed it through there just so I can find it. And once I route it, I'll come back, I'll put a hole through here, tape it up, make sure it's smooth and it's not getting cut up on anything. Here is where it's coming out at, so I'll probably feed it under. Oh, that's perfect, because the bag is going to sit right here. So for the airline coming out right there, it's near the diff, but I'm sure the diff isn't going to get that hot. Well, it might get warm, but I don't think it'll get hot enough to where it will affect the position that I'm placing the airline. So I think we should be good right here. So let me see how I could do this. Feeding it over above the subframe, that should be pretty good. So it's coming out, and it's, bro, stop crying, you're messing up my video. So by it coming from right there straight to the bag, that's all I need. I'll probably pull out some extra just in case, but that's all I need right here. And I could fish it right in there. So just in case I gotta hook it or whatever. Boom. This is how I imagine it being. So I'm gonna cut right here. So right where this was. Boom. I'll come back and trim that with a straight edge. I'll mark this line as RD, rear driver. Alright, now that's that line. For the second line, I'm going to angle it so it comes across. Right over to the bag. Perfect. So if I have to come if I have to come under or above the bag, I got enough cable right here. So that's good. Boom. Rear passenger. RP. So whether it's on this side or that side of the tank, I have enough. Alright, now with the rest of the cable, I'm going to figure out how I can route this all the way through to the front. I feel like I'm going to go somewhere like this. So let's see. I'm going to just pull things apart. Alright, so I was told that there was a grommet that I could come through. I believe it's right here, actually. Right there, I could go right through there to the fire, right through the firewall, right into where I need it to be. So let's pop the hood. Bust right through here, come up and down. Yeah. I see the light. Boom. I see it. Alright. So I need some extra slack. Do I want to do that though? Is that too sharp to go straight down? Or is that, would you guys think that's a good? Is that good right there? Like, Boom, right into the bag. Right into the bag. I like that. So I got a lot of slack here, so I know that with this bag it comes with a connection, so I can pull all this shit back through. I feel like this is enough. I'll probably get it right there. Boom. That's that. Now, this is all we got to run the left side, the right side. Just pull up on it and it'll snap out. Alright, so here we go. What you want to do is it has a curve in it, so if you want it to go up, you gotta twist it up. Come back over here, like that's good right there. That's good. Now it's over this wire, but that's wired. That ain't breaking. Now I can just pull it as much as I need, and I'm already towards the front. Now, I was told that there was a grommet right here that I could just come up through. Boom, back down to where I was. I'm sure there's a hole over here like there was last time on the other side. Battery out. I'm gonna go right through this grommet right here, right through this hole right here. So I push that in. Now I got a hole there on the other side. Watch me pull the cable out through here. Boom, right there. We got it. Now we can run it to the bag. I could go like boom right to the airbag. I think it comes under, but I could do that. I'm good with that. Let me pull some more. Alright, so sorry guys, but my GoPro had died and I had to stop for a second. Plus I made a store run. So let me just speed y'all up. So as of right now, I just put this fitting in right here. I just put this fitting in right here. I put this emergency drain valve in right here. So these two were put in. This one was put in also. It says that they should be flush, but I can't get that flush. It's almost poking out a little bit, so I'm just gonna leave it like that. I don't want to ruin anything else or strip it, so I'm gonna just leave it poking out a little bit. I put the Loctite on it, the thread sealer Loctite on it, so it should be fine. I shouldn't have any leaks. I also put this fitting in right here, and also this fitting down here. So that's where I'm at so far. I went to the store. I grabbed some 6-gauge wire to extend the power connector right here. So I just cut it. As you can see, I'm going to strip it and then reconnect it to here. Boom.